Alright, I'm Russell Rogers and I'm part of Group 4, and our group's project was to analyze the amount of pollution in different countries of the world. And we looked at WHO for their data, and the specific variables we were looking at was GDP, area, population, area per capita, and GDP per capita. And here are the results. And we had three hypotheses, which the first one we tested with single factor ANOVA, and here are the results with the resulting probability of being less than 0.001. And we ran a pairwise t-test to confirm the presence of a disparity between the means of the different variables. And having that as a result, we then went on to build a linear model to see what influences the particulate matter of 2.5. And so we did a backwards p-value model selection, and resulting in this particular model with population, GDP, area, and GDP per capita. And we were able to see that it resulted in a probability of 0.002, and this allows us to reject or null and accept that there are variables that increased or changed the amount of particulate matter of 2.5. And so finally, for our hypothesis 3, we ran ANOVA to be able to see if the same variables had a similar contribution for increasing or changing the amount of particulate matter 10. And the resulting probability of 0.006 allows us to reject our null hypothesis that all variables do not contribute the same amount. And so going back to our linear model, we were able to see that GDP and population were the ones that influenced it the most. And from that, we can infer back to the average person that as a country increases in population, so does the pollution. But furthermore, as a population increases, so does its GDP in order to help sustain the increased population. And so between those two variables, the pollution in the air will increase undoubtedly. But as to the amount, we were able to confirm was 0.68. That was being built from our model, and so there are other variables that would need to be tested to get a full scale analysis of what's going on. But I do appreciate the time you were able to allow me to do this. Thank you.